Buenas tardes, padres de familia y estudiantes. Welcome to Spanish from North Valley Virtual Instruction for COVID 2020-21. Today, I'm not able to join you, so I've prepared a video giving you an overview of how to help your child be successful in Spanish 1 or 2 this year. The first video that I'm going to show you is going to be how to use the homepage to find the syllabus, the learning targets, which are the objectives for the course, and the standards. Keep in mind that the learning targets may be optimistic. I'm going to go through as many as I can before the end of the first 9 weeks. Listen carefully to the video that follows. The objective of this mini video is to share my homepage and what's on it. When your student logs on to my class, they go to the homepage and they click on Google Meet. They should immediately go up here between the two peppers, click on check-in and answer the single question. This is a question that is produced by all of North Valley and students take it 4 times a day. Afterwards, your student should go to modules, go to the day that we're on, and click on the starter for that day. I'll take roll during that time. My email contact is right here. You can click on that link. There's also a syllabus you can click on and download, and learning targets and standards. So there's 3 documents and an email contact. My online etiquette is also stated there. I hope this was helpful. The next video I've prepared for you explains how to use Student View or Parent View to keep track of what your child needs to be doing to be successful in Spanish. First thing you're going to need to pay attention to is what to look for in Student View and Parent View. Once you've found what's missing in Parent View or Student View, it'll tell you, if you click on that assignment, the description will tell you where to find the assignment in Canvas. You'll also notice that I've simplified Canvas, so there's really only one place for students to look, and that's the module. Each module is a day of instruction. It includes the lesson, which is the Google slide that I've created. It includes the starter, and it'll include additional resources. Watch this video carefully. I'll have a little bit more to add at the end. The purpose of this mini video is to explain how to use Canvas and Student View and Parent View together to keep track of your grades and your assignments in Spanish 1 and Spanish 2. Once you get to the home page, the only option I've given you is modules. So click on modules. When you click on modules, I have each lesson listed by day. I put the date next to each day so that it's less confusing as we get into day 22, 23, etc. Each one of these days has either the lessons or the assignments or both in it. So if you look right here on day 7, there's a starter, and your student should be doing the starter. And there's also a lesson. Open the starter. And they'll give instructions. In this one, your child should watch the video. And then after they've watched the video, they take the quiz. These are done at the beginning of the period. But if you find a 0 in the grade book, they can go back and take it later. Finding the lessons themselves. Open up the lesson. We'll just go here to day 6. That's a copy of the PowerPoint or the Google slide that I used that day. Your child can access this material at any time and review it if they're confused or if they didn't finish taking their notes or they missed that day. Reviewing what we just did, the home page, click on modules, that takes you to the lessons. Now let's connect this to Student View. Okay, this is what Student View looks like for me. I have all of the students in there and I have the assignments up at the top. It looks different for you, but I'll show you how you can use this. So this student is missing 2 assignments. When you click on Starter 5, it will tell you which module that can be found in and what to do. So it has directions inside of Student View. So as a parent, the easiest thing for you to do to help your child stay current is to go to Parent View, find out what their zeros are, click on that assignment and see what the instructions are for that assignment. That'll tell you where in the module they can find the assignment and make it up. Student view and parent view tell you where to look in Canvas for assignments. Again, to summarize, for parents, the easiest thing for you to do is check parent view. Look for zeros, click on the assignment, it'll tell you where your child can find the assignment in Canvas. So after looking at parent view or student view, you noticed a 0 for starter number 5. It told you to go to day number 5 and do the starter. So we're going to go to day number 5, and it says starter 5. This will take 2 minutes. You watch the video, and then you take the quiz afterwards. I hope this helps a lot, showing you how to use parent-student view in conjunction with Canvas to keep up in Spanish and get your grades cut up this weekend. That was a long video. The beginning was showing you that the home page is where they can find the Google Meet, the daily check-in, and the click for getting to modules. It's also where you can look for the syllabus, my contact email, and the learning targets and standards for the course. The second half of the video showed you how to use parent view and student view to organize Canvas. See what has a blank or a 0, click on the description of that assignment, it'll tell you where to find it in Canvas. I also want to reinforce that Canvas is organized by day, and each day it has all the starters, the lesson itself with any notes your students need, any videos they need to watch, etc. My goal was to try to simplify things. I hope that was accomplished. Feel free to contact me at any time.